हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम to our new class Simple Maths. Today we are going to study Standard 10 Mathematics. Hi, my name is GS Paigan and we are going to start the famous theorem Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras, you are all known about that Pythagoras. So that the theorem was first theorem is when we draw the perpendicular in a right angle triangle to the vertex to the diagonal, then they makes three right angle in one triangle and they are all similar to all each other. That is, in triangle ABC, BD is perpendicular to AC. So triangle ADB is similar triangle ABC and triangle BDC is similar triangle ABC. So before we start a Pythagoras theorem, we must know about that similarities. What are the similarity? When two triangles are similar, if their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means what? In a triangle, all angles are equal and the sides are proportionally equal. We are known about that similarity criteria. So we must know about that similarity criteria. There are four criteria, mainly three. First, angle. That is, three angle of one triangle is exactly equals to three angle of another triangle. Then the two triangles are similar. This criteria also used as angle similarity criteria, because if two angles are exactly equals to another two angles of another triangle, then third angle must be also be equal. So this angle criteria you can use as angle similarity criteria also. Next is what? Side similarity criteria. If three sides of one triangle is exactly proportionally equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. And last one is side similarity criteria. If two side and between one angle is exactly equals or sides are proportional and angle must be equal to another two side and one angle of the another triangle, then the two triangles must be similar. These are all studied in standard 9, but here we can just revise because angle similarity criteria we have to use in this theorem. Now what is theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Here is the statement. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. That means in a right angle triangle, when we draw the perpendicular, so angle B is equals to 90. So hypotenuse is AC and the adjacent side is BC and AB. So BC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now there is a proof. What is the proof? We are given triangle ABC right angle at B. Then we want to prove that AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Now we can draw the perpendicular from B to the hypotenuse AC at D. So BD is perpendicular to AC. Now there are three triangles. One perpendicular makes and two triangles. So let me take a first small triangle and big triangle. The triangle ADB and triangle ABC. So check it. Angle A, they are in common angle. Angle B, angle D is an each 90 angle. So two angle in both triangles are exactly equal. So we say that two triangles are similar. So we can write ADB is similar triangle ABC. That is, if the sides are if the triangles are similar, then side must be proportionally equal. So AD by AB is equals to AB by AC. Now, when we take a cross multiple, then AD into AC is equals to AB into AB. So AB into AB is AB square is equals to AD into AC. Say as equation number 1. Now, same as take another two triangles. It is what? BDC and triangle ABC. Again, angle C is equals to angle C because common angle. Angle B and angle D is again equal. Why? Because each 90 angle, so it is again equal. So two triangle must be similar. Why? Because angle criteria. Now, if the two triangles are similar, then we can say that sides must be proportionally equal. So how? Which are the sides? CD upon BC is equals to BC upon AC because sides are proportional. Now, when we take solve, CD into AC equals to BC into BC. So that equals to BC into BC means BC square is equals to CD into AC. That equation number 2. Now take it 1 and 2 combinedly. Equation 1 and equation number 2, that AB square equals to AD into AC plus CD into AC. That AB square plus BC square equals to AD into AC plus CD into AC. Now AC are common, so AD plus CD into AC. Take common of AC. Now check by figure. AD plus CD is what? AD plus CD equals to complete AC. So AC into AC, that equals to AC square. So AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. That is the Pythagoras theorem proof. So here we are just using the angle criteria. We can easily prove by Pythagoras theorem, and that it is very simple theorem and which is most useful for the examination point of view. Thank you.